and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make ratatouille, the classic French vegetable stew, and in my opinion the ultimate plant-based dish. For this recipe I will cook the ratatouille first on the hob and then it will finish cooking in the oven. So for this method you will need an oven-safe casserole or a Dutch oven pan with a lid. First, prepare the tomatoes. After washing and removing the stalks, score an X on the base using a sharp knife. Put the tomatoes into a heatproof container, fill with boiling water and set aside for a couple of minutes. If you prefer, you can also boil the water in a pan and plunge the tomatoes in there. Then, transfer the tomatoes into a bowl filled with cold water, let it cool, and then peel the skins. Halve the tomatoes crosswise, scrape away the seeds, and cut the flesh into chunks. To prepare the peppers, cut them in half. Remove the seeds and internal white membrane, and then slice into small strips or bite-sized chunks. Also, peel and thickly dice the onion and slice the garlic cloves. To prepare the aubergine, slice off both ends, cut into thick slices, and then quarter each slice into about 3 cm chunks. Also, top and tail the courgette and slice it to 1 cm roundels. Finally, wash and pick the thyme leaves. Also, pick the rosemary leaves and finally chop these, as well as a handful of parsley leaves. Drain the capers and rinse well under cold water through a small sieve to wash off some of the saltiness. In the meantime, preheat the oven. Now, heat the olive oil in a large non-stick, oven-safe casserole or Dutch oven pan. Fry the onion, garlic and bay leaf over a medium-low heat for about 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. Add the tomato paste, a little salt and pepper, the capers and chili flakes if using. Stir and cook for about 2 minutes. Then add the tomatoes, rosemary and thyme and cook for a couple more minutes. Add the peppers, courgette and the aubergine and gently combine everything well. Cover the pan, transfer to the oven and cook for about 15 minutes. Then remove the pan from the oven and give it a good stir. Put the lid and return to the oven to cook for a further 15 minutes until the vegetables are tender. Remove from the oven. Add the chopped parsley, taste, and if necessary, adjust any seasoning. You can serve the ratatouille as a meal on its own or with crusty bread, pasta, potatoes or rice. It is also great with grilled polenta, a recipe that you can see here in my channel. Hope you enjoyed this recipe, thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more easy and tasty vegan and vegetarian recipes.